Good morning, every students. I am Shivan Mishra, your teacher of English. Today, I am going to talk about before sixth lesson, the book of footprint without feet. Footprints without feet. This is lesson number 6. Today, I will discuss about this matter. This lesson name, The Making of a Scientist, written by Robert V. Patterson. There are, before I will start about some discussion about the topic, about the story, what is the real story in content of this lesson. There are some focus about the character. What is the character? There are some things know about Robert W. Patterson. About the author, Robert W. Patterson was a famous American newspaper writer who later became a freelance author of magazines articles. He wrote with authority, particularly on the topic of sport and the scouting. He was born in 1925 in Pennsylvania in the USA and died of lung cancer on 11th February 2006. So this is the about characters writer. There are very famous character and newspaper writer Robert W. Patterson. This is the substance of this story. Richardson Albright has received the serial Satchel Award and the subscribed Plonk Award from the Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. It was the fascination for butterflies that opened up the world of science to him. Let us start this lesson. Today I will talk about theme of the story in this video. Please listen to me carefully. There are any problem in your mind, there is any doubt in your mind, you can put up the question before me, in front of me. I can solve any problem. Theme of the story, the making of a scientist. In the story of scientist named Richard H. Albright. Richard Albright, it is an interesting study of how Albright became a scientist. After the early death of her husband, Albright was everything for his mother. He used to get top grades in school at a very early age. When he was just in the second standard, he had already collected 25 species of butterflies found around his hometown. The book The Travels of Monarch X gave him a thorough knowledge about the monarch butterflies. In the second year of his high school, Albright began to search an unknown hormone in the gold spots of butterflies. In the later years, he discovered how a cell could read the blueprints of its DNA. So this was themes of story. I will discussion before you theory of how cells work done by Richardson, and there are one character in this included in this story. Richardson, I bright. There are some discussion before you about a theory on how cells work. And the age of 22, Bright excites the scientific world with a new theory on how cells work. Richardson Bright and his college roommate explained the theory in the proceedings of the National Academy of Science. It was the first time that this important scientific journal had ever published the work of college students. For Richardson Bright, his first achievement in the science started with the butterflies. This is achievement. This is theory on. This was theory on how cells work. I am going to talk about found of the collecting butterflies. Richardson Bright started collecting butterflies when he was just in kinder in kind, kindergarten. He was also fond of collecting rocks, fossil and coins. He became an eager astronomer too. He something gazed at stars all night. So this is one else. There are some important theme about this character. Richardson mother encouraged interest in learning. Richardson Bright's mother encouraged his interest in learning. She took him on trip, bought him telescope, microscope, camera, and other equipment, equipments that helped him in many ways. Richard was just in third grade when his father died. Richard was her mother's whole life. They spent almost every evening at the dining table. Richard Richard wanted to learn. He earned top grade in school. By the time he was in second grade, Bright had collected all 25 species of the butterflies found around his hometown. Then his mother brought him a children's book called The Travels of Monarch X. The book told how monarch butterflies migrated to Central America. It opened the world of the science to the eager collector. There are many innovation and there are interesting story in content of this lesson. How had Richardson done anything struggle in content of this lesson about to talk the Richardson. Staging butterflies. The book invited readers to help study butterfly migration. Readers were asked to the butterflies for research by Dr. Frederick Arquette of the University of Toronto, Canada. A bright started rising of the flock of butterflies. He would catch female monarchs, take key eggs, and raise them in his basement through their life cycle. Country science fair, and there are many characteristics. There are many reason to achievements butterfly in the life of Richardson. Yeah, Richards. There are many example: country science fair, theory about cell life, other interested, competitive to be of the West. This is the many things about around of the incident. Richardson life, Richardson E. Bright. This is the very famous story. Already I will talk you before. At so this is substance. There is no importance question put up in the exam of this lesson. But there is no take to serious points. But you can tell about this lesson. I can tell about this lesson. This is the very not good lesson to take the examination. There is no more put up the question in this lesson in examination, but you will try to understand better this lesson. This is the substance of this lesson. This is the substance of story in this lesson. Any problem you can put up in front me. How is this video? Please tell me and share. I will see you next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.